So this is one of these front-loading Samsung VRT. Doesn't have a wax motor. Has a switch that looks like that from the back. In the front, a little button comes out. And a plastic latch latches. Well, that wasn't latching. So I bought a latch, and now it latches. But it hadn't been draining, and if you look at these videos, you see that this latching issue is tied to spinning and draining issue. So I bought a motor, and the motor wouldn't spin. The old motor wouldn't spin, but you'll see why in a moment, I think. So I put the new motor in, and nothing would happen. And I came back out again, and I blew back on the gray line, right, the drain line, and it blew back okay. And so I decided to take this black hose off the bottom. All right, and that's the black hose off the bottom, and this is, I think they call this anal compaction. So it's just packed from here back to about here with this carpet. And if you look around, you'll find more than one video with, I put a carpet in here and such happened, and this is the result. So if you put a carpet, or you did all the things I described, and things aren't looking rosy, aren't coming out rosy, consider removing this drain. Ciao. Okay, so there's a little notch on that small hose there. See the notch? So that'll help you line that up. And be careful pushing that big black piece up on that lip. You can't see, so push it up from behind. And I had to flip that clamp around because it was flipped around. It was very unpleasant to loosen. So you might want to do that. So this is all going to be tightened up now. If you want to see how to put the motor in, go watch another video. Well, great. She's spinning like Rachel Maddow now. Well, looks like we got the spin done. Oh, got to spin it both ways. Got to spin it. So, spinning like Rachel Maddow. We'll spin it both ways.